This is a review of the Galaxy Projector with plasma ball. It has 8 lights functions with the white noise machine. It comes with a Bluetooth speaker and it comes with the alarm clock. It's remote controlled and it's a night light for your bedroom for your adults. So it's pretty much like for a party. It could be used for kids and it's also could be used for a gift. That would be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to show you guys all the important features about this and show you guys more in depth about this and also test this product to see how well it lights up inside a room. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got the package opened up and the first thing we get is we get the astronaut, then we also get the alien. Right over here is a USB. So this USB is pretty much to power up the whole entire Galaxy projector. So you're gonna have to be using that since it's wired. Then comes with the RF wireless remote. So we're gonna get into that as well too. Then this right here is also, it comes with the stairs, so where you pretty much have to put these two guys together, which I'll show you guys that too. But yeah, we're gonna take all this out and show you guys the projector itself. Okay, so I have the package unboxed, and this is the projector itself right over here, and we're gonna pretty much hook everything up and show you guys all the functions that it has and all the lights and pretty much the Bluetooth mode, and it also has, you can also listen to music as well too. But yeah, let's get all this stuff into it. So pretty much this wire is going to be hooked up to somewhere right here. Then you got to be using a adapter, which is pretty much is a 5V something like that. But you're going to hook that up to that, plug it into the outlet, and from there it should light up. And then we're going to put this thing right over there on the, I think on that side. I believe it's this side right over here. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys right over here that, so to turn it on is right here. It has different settings mode. It has a timer as well too, so you can pretty much tell your time and what time is it. You can also volume up, volume down for your music as well too. And then right over here, I also do love the fact that this right here is glass. So it's real glass, so it's extremely high quality product. I mean, the glass is not like plastic, it's real glass. And overall, it feels, it has a good weight to it as well too. So it is a high quality projector, and I can tell the results are very phenomenal once we get everything hooked up. But yeah, let's pretty much hook everything up and then show you guys the finished results to this Galaxy projector. Okay, so I got everything hooked up. I got the USB on and we got it all set it up. So this thing's really easy. So you pretty much get this ladder, you put it right here, and then you put the alien and then the astronaut right there. But yeah, one of the first things I do love about this is that I have to go fix that, but you could tell time, which is really important to have. So not just that, but this could also be used as an alarm clock, which is really unique and amazing for what this thing does. And also it offers a lot of stuff. So pretty much from there, not only we get that, but we also get, so not that, but you can also set your time like 45 minutes to 90 minutes. If you're like sleeping, you can set the time on that. It also has a frog croak sound, an ocean breeze. Then it has a rainfall. Then it has a campfire. Then it has a forest birds, ocean waves, flowing stream. It also has different sound effects, which is really cool as well too. But not just that, we get other features as well too. So we get a 5-in-1 multifunctional Galaxy projector. So we're gonna have some different color schemes, which I'm gonna be showing you guys in a minute. And there's a lot of colors that's gonna be changed. But yeah, let's get to the main fun part about this, is that the color changing. And not just that, you can also listen to music as well too, and also connect it to your phone, which is Bluetooth controlled, and it comes to your phone app. So you go to your phone app, you go to pretty much, if you have an iPhone or Android, it works for, you know, whichever, but you pretty much from, you know, from there you connect to that. But yeah, let's show you guys this thing in action. Okay, so I have my RF wireless remote right over here. So let's just click this. So we're gonna click this button right over here. Let's do it again. And you can see it looks really amazing. Like you can see ambience on top of the ceiling as well here too. But let me close the light and show you guys how it is, because you know that's the best part about this. Okay, so we have the lights turned off and this is the results right over here. So I press this button, so it's 8 different aura color effects. So this is the first one right over here. It looks really amazing, gives the Halloween vibes right over here. It looks really, you know, amazing. Now we're gonna go to setting number 2. So we get a blue color type of Who color. It gives the ocean sea waves vibes. It looks really amazing as well too. The whole entire room is lit up. You know, the results, the videos doesn't do the justice on how bright this thing is. Then we get this one right over here, the purple Who color effect. Then we're gonna go to setting the next setting. Then we get the red color scheme, and it's a little bit of an orangish with the greenish. So this is also another Halloween type of color scheme. It looks really amazing. It really changes up the atmosphere. Now we're gonna go to this one right over here. This one is also the one I think I showed you guys before, but it goes to 8 different aura color effects, which is really enough colors to have fun. Not just that, but you could also listen to music on this, which is really amazing because, you know, for a small compact size, I was amazed by how loud this thing was. Like if you go full volume, it is really loud. It, you know, exceeded my expectations on how, you know, a small little compact size thing, but it offers a lot of loud music. So it offers music as well too. It's really, if you have Android or iOS, it's really easy to, like within under 30 seconds you could, you know, pretty much log in and pretty much plug in like that. And also the Bluetooth speaker, I told you guys about that interactive plasma futuristic touch it has, which is this thing in the middle right over here. Really is, you know, videos doesn't do justice on how cool this thing is. I'm gonna show you guys a little up close. It really gives the futuristic scientific fiction, you know, like, you know, back in the old, you know, the science, you know, the science stuff. It really looks really amazing. You know, you can see the lines, everything, you know, color changing. It really looks amazing in real life. And then not just that, but you can also set your mood, alarm clock, sleep timer. It could offer all that stuff as well too. As you guys could see, you could set the time as well too. I haven't done that yet, but I'm, you know, planning on doing that to fix this time exactly. But yeah, that's all the things this thing offers, and it really is a cool thing and like a cool item to have in your bedroom. It could pretty much also dance to the beat and to the rhythm, so you could do music to the beat mode as well too. So all these colors could pretty much change as well too. As you put music, it could pretty much do music to the beat mode. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product, this Galaxy Projector, you know, for not just for kids, but also for adults, because, you know, it offers for alarm clock you can have for if you have to get up to go to work, and, you know, it offers, you know, the time on, you know, what time is it. So yeah, if you're looking for a projector for your bedroom, for your kids, or for your, you know, for your own self, that you're looking for something to change the atmosphere and the vibe, you know, for your bedroom, then this thing right over here is probably one of the best products to get, because it offers alarm clock, a Bluetooth speaker. The color scheming really looks amazing as well too. Perfect for Halloween. It really looks really amazing. Different color schemes it offers. It's really a fun entertainment to have in your bedroom. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a Galaxy projector or alarm clock for your bedroom. That this is probably one of the best products to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.